How to turn on 2FA or two-factor authentication on blockchain.com. If you want to turn on 2FA or two-factor authentication on blockchain.com, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the blockchain.com app, and then you simply want to log in using your biometrics or any of the details that you've provided. Now after you do that, what you want to do is on the top left hand side you can see a profile icon, so just make sure to tap on the profile icon from the top left. After you've done that, over here you'll be able to see many different options. Over here you simply have to look for an option that says two-step verification. So here you can see it says manage your 2FA settings. So you simply have to turn on this toggle right here. It will ask you to add a phone number. So if you haven't done so, make sure to add a phone number. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn on two-factor authentication on blockchain.com. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.